Do you want to use essential oils to help your skin recover after a long day in the sun? We have a perfect recipe called Peppermint Infused Oil that will be great to add to your DIY personal care recipes. First off, subscribe to our Simply Earth recipe box. Open your monthly box, which gets shipped straight to your door. Pull out your labels, find your recipe card, and then grab your peppermint leaves. And from your big bonus box, grab your almond oil. And from your kitchen, you'll want a small 2-ounce jar that seals. You'll also want a sieve or cheesecloth. First for our recipe, we'll add a funnel to our jar because it's got that narrow neck, so I'll just make life a little bit easier. And then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of peppermint leaves. Next up, we'll use a 1/4 cup of almond oil. You can also replace this with other carrier oils like avocado oil or olive oil. So now we just put our lid on here so that it's nice and sealed, and we'll set it in a sunny window for 2 to 3 weeks, shaking it every once in a while. So the sunlight allows the peppermint leaves to infuse into the oil.
Okay, I'll go put it in my window. So this is the peppermint infused oil that I had sitting in my window. I'm gonna dump it into the sieve so that I can filter out all the pieces, and we should be good.
Yeah. So I'll hold on to the sieve. So you can push that oil out of those peppermint leaves. You'll want to filter out the leaves the best you can to help improve the shelf life of your oil. Then you can compost the remaining peppermint leaves. Make sure you grab a label from your recipe box to label it. And you're good to go. You can use this as a carrier oil in another essential oil recipe, or you can use it as is, applying a little bit to your skin for a slightly cooling, soothing relief.
Yeah, it's gonna be really good for like sunburn. Or like me, sometimes I like to burn myself with my straightener. So this is gonna be good for that.
And there you have it. We're actually going to use this peppermint infused oil in our lip balm recipe we have coming up.
Don't forget to go to simplyearth.com/box and hit subscribe now.
Thanks for
See you
watching.
later.
It feels like it's been a while. It has been a while. Okay.